1 banana and
First 8 ounces, a bigger one, and then put another 3. So it takes 11 ounces of fluid. We use almond milk.
And we're using the Fitness Well Blend spinach, mango, apple, and pineapple.
Don't forget, added 1 banana.
And 1 banana.
What is it? Kale. It's the green stuff is you eat. That's the kale. And then a leafy plant from the.
Gross. So we added the fruit. We added the milk. Now we blend for 40 seconds until it's
It takes a
smoothie.
lot longer than that.
Okay, it takes more longer. Let's have a
The
second.
desired consistency.
And on my blender, I have a green smoothie setting, as long as it's on high.
So this packet makes 2 cups.
Depends on there how much.
It smells like like ice cream.
So this is the finished product. Green.
Makes 2 12-ounce smoothies.
Oh,
Green smoothie.
tastes like banana.
We are. Well, I'm going to taste it. So to tell you guys the truth about it. So. Yeah. It does taste like banana. That's it. Weird.
Banana's so strong.
Because it has potassium. So it's pretty good. Not gonna lie. I was actually really skeptical because I tried green smoothies before. And they weren't my thing. But this one's pretty good, not gonna lie.
Huh?
I will totally recommend getting this brand to make some green smoothies if you guys lack the vitamins, if any. And if you want to try the smoothie diet, we are going to be doing this 7 days to see if it makes any effect